We came here after Hurricane Matthew came up the coast of Florida and then hit Georgia and South Carolina here. We've been piling debris with it and putting debris out to the right of way for hauling, working in wet ground where wheel loaders and things can't get. The use of the skid steer helps get it piled up quicker so that the truck can come in, load quicker, and then go on out. Get everybody's life back to normal where they live. Being able for a big guy like me to get in and out of a skid steer is a lot nicer. We like the wide tracks, the extra wide tracks, and how they work holding us up on this soft ground when it rains, which we've had plenty of that here just lately. Being able to see the bucket when you're cleaning out here so that when you're cleaning up, you can see your whole bucket area when you're working.
You can just get in and out as easy and as quick as you need to. You know, you ain't got to walk over your grapple or bucket or nothing like that. The nice yards on this island, we don't want to tear them up too bad. We try to do at least a bit of that as we can. So I can really stretch that boom out there 13 feet or whatever I need it to be at and grab the debris and suck it back in and put it on top of a bigger pile. It's wide open. I mean, you can see everything you're doing. It's the most comfortable. It feels, you know, the most rigid, safest, solid. There's no doubt in your mind you can do whatever you got to do in it. It gives you that feeling when you sit in the seat. You can feed a dog a bone with it. She's never let me down, and I have a lot of trust in her, and I'm looking forward to putting a lot more hours on her.
Dotson & Son Logging out of Missouri, they're working out here with us. They saw the machine and they ended up buying the second machine that was sold. 3 weeks or 4 weeks now, we've already put close to 400 hours on this machine, so it's working out well. I mean, it's been awesome.